We've previously installed and updated our X-MAXX with the Traxxas Link Bluetooth module, which provides various sensor and other useful information. Although if we want to add GPS speed tracking to the vehicle, we need to install this, the Traxxas Telemetry Expander. The Traxxas 6550 Telemetry Expander isn't a strict requirement for some basic sensors. The X-MAXX does come with a healthy amount out of the box, but if you're looking to add the GPS sensor, or simply want to add more sensors in the future, then this is something you'll want to invest in. The Telemetry Expander is a neat little box of tricks, similar in size and shape to the vehicle's receiver box. Above it are 4 pre-installed screws. 2 can be removed to release the main cover, revealing the 8 connectors beneath, while the remaining 2 can be removed to reveal a cavity for the GPS module to be installed, a separate Traxxas purchase. Along with the expander, we receive a tube of silicone grease, helping to create a watertight seal once installed, and a small pack containing 2 screws and a communication cable. Installing the expander is a simple affair since it sits in place by the front shock tower and is held in place with the 2 supplied screws. There's really nothing more to it, and it sits in place nice and firm. Finally, we need to install the communication cable. This plugs into the last port on the expander module. The port just above is an expansion port for daisy chaining another expander unit, leaving the remaining 6 ports for attaching further plug-and-play sensors. Remembering to feed the communication cable through the expander's top cover, the other end attaches to the vehicle's receiver unit, so it's a matter of removing the 4 screws on the receiver cover and plugging the communication cable into the available port. Finally, route the cable as you wish before reattaching the receiver cover and securing it into place with the same 4 screws. All that's left is to install the Traxxas 651 GPS module. The standard telemetry sensors use the gear ratio and tyre size to calculate speed based on RPM. By using the Traxxas GPS module, the vehicle's speed can be captured and displayed easily and more accurately by using global positioning satellites to deliver precise, real-time speed information via the Traxxas Link app. And installing couldn't be easier. The GPS module sits right inside the expander. That's all there is to it. Now we can secure the expander top cover with the 2 screws provided. And although some of the included silicone grease can now be applied to the foam inserts to protect from water, I'm going to skip this step for now since I never run in wet conditions anyway. And that's it. Installation of the telemetry expander and GPS module is complete. Power up the vehicle and you should see a green LED on the expander module indicating all is well, first flashing while detecting a GPS lock and then solid once locked. I'm in a tight space at the moment, so we'll revisit this when I get the vehicle to an open area for some higher speed driving. For the meantime, I have another upgrade to bolt on, so join me in the next video.